Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix Muscletech Mass Gainer for an easy guide. First, always check the label for the recommended serving size, which is typically around 5 scoops. For a smooth shake, you will want to use either a shaker cup or a blender. A key tip is to always add your liquid first, before the powder, to help prevent any clumping and ensure a perfectly blended drink. When preparing your mass gainer, you have a few liquid options. Water is a great choice if you are looking to minimize extra calories and prefer a lighter shake. However, if you want to boost your calorie and protein intake, milk, such as whole milk, is an excellent alternative, providing a richer, creamier texture. Aim for about 16 to 20 ounces of liquid per serving, adjusting for your desired thickness. To make your mass gainer even more beneficial and delicious, consider adding extra ingredients. Fresh fruits, like 1 whole banana or a half cup of berries, can provide essential vitamins and a burst of natural flavor. A tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter will add healthy fats and significantly increase the calorie count. For a colder, thicker drink, simply blend in a few ice cubes. For the best results, ensure you mix your mass gainer thoroughly for at least 20 to 30 seconds until completely smooth. It is always best to consume your shake immediately after preparing it to enjoy maximum freshness and nutrient integrity. Finally, remember to clean your shaker cup or blender right away. This simple step prevents any sticky residue from drying, making cleanup much easier for next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.